Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to take a look at the product called freedomsale. So this is a Zavizu product and we are going to do this review. So this is a freedomsale review. Now in this video we will take a look at they have I think three products which they are going to combine in one, and some training included as well, so that you can use this software to get some more clients if you already have an established audience, such as if you have existing email list. Okay, now before we get into the details, or before we start a review, make sure you read our disclaimers first. The first disclaimer is that secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop losing money online. So when I say stop losing money, that means you should avoid buying make money online offers. You can buy softwares, you can buy tools, you can buy some kind of training course if you want to, but anything that says this will make you this kind of money, stay away from those offers, because you will only end up losing your money in order to make. So if you know this trick, then you will probably make some money eventually, but if you keep losing money online, you will never make a single penny. Second disclaimer is that we are going to expose the concept of bonuses, so make sure you stick till the end, because bonuses are something which play with your mind, and your motivation behind buying a product should not be bonuses. Okay, so if somebody is saying I'm giving you this bonus, that bonus, all that crap, that should not be the motivation of buying a product, because you are getting away from the primary goal. So if your motivation is to buy an let's say a hosting account, so you should go for hosting, no matter if it is cheap or costly, but some kind of bonuses should not influence your decision. Okay, so we'll talk about this in the end. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and stay till the end. This will help you decide if you need to invest your money in this software or not. Okay, so let's get back to the sales page of freedomsale website here. The URL at the top is higherlevelstrategies.com, and then there's a video here explaining how this is gonna work for you. So at the top it says instantly save 93% on over 200 done for you products, 2 software for list building and funnel creation, and 30+ hours of affiliate training with the time sensitive special. Okay, now whatever we have to look into, that's available on their website. So it says the Freedom product bundle attracts hot leads, create beautiful funnels, produces amazing results. So this is not a make money online product. This is only a software which will help you to generate beautiful landing pages and funnels, and then you can eventually use it to get traffic and things like that. Now these are the product creators, Omar and Melinda Martin. And then let's go further down these screenshots. Now the product number 1 which we can discuss is called Convert Tools, and this is to create beautiful lead funnels and grow your list on steroids. So this software creates gorgeous lead capture funnels for you in less than 2 minutes with just a few clicks of your mouse. These pages look absolutely stunning and convert your visitors into subscribers like nothing else on the market. Use the page builder to set the, so there's a demo I think as well in the video. So if you click on this thing, they are going to show you the demo video, how everything works inside the dashboard. It's a 24 minutes long video, so of course I cannot run the whole video here, so you can watch the demo in your own free time. We will just go through the products one by one. So first product was Convert Tools. Then let's see what was the next product here. This is something to do with lead funnels. It's done for you cloud hosting, they have included in that product. And bonus number 1, email vault. So you can go through. Okay, now come to the second product. Second product is Freedom product, and this is commission magnets. Now what this is all about is use this tool to offer bonuses to all your new subscriber. Okay, so this is like, if you grab this product, you will have some lead magnets inside which you can offer your subscriber for free. And if somebody has to download this product, they'll give you your email. That's how you build your list. Okay, so use these inbuilt lead magnets, and then we do everything for you, so you can just focus on collecting the commissions. This is the second product which you're gonna get with this, and then eventually you keep scrolling down, and this is all the features. Now here's a demo again of commission magnets. If you want to check, you can click on this thing. It's a 9 minutes long demo which you can watch in your own free time, how it's gonna work. And then let's go further down. Let's take a look at the third product. These are the ebooks which you can make. The third product is I Am Clinic. Now this product will defibrillate your online business. This IMC is a series of 4 comprehensive online business courses created for internet marketers that are stuck in an unproductive rut. So this is the training course they were talking about, the full training course. Now this traffic driving clinic, list building clinic, conversion clinic, scaling clinic. So these are some module trainings which you will get inside the dashboard, and along with those 2 products which we checked earlier at the top. Okay, now this is the whole package, so you can check again convert tools. The demo is right up on this website, 24 minutes demo which you can see in your time. Then the second product is commission magnets, and third is the hardcore training, the tutorials they are going to teach you. It's a combination of 3 products. 2 are software, third one is a training, and then they are saying this used to cost $691, but they're giving away all this at only $47 on Zavizu. Okay, now this is entirely up to you. If you feel like this is what you need in your marketing technique, if you want, you can then grab this product. Absolutely, you can buy it, because as long as it does not make money online, I'm not against it. But as soon you say you're gonna make some kind of money with this bullshit, this is totally a scam. So right now, this is not a scam. This is a this is a product. This is a training course. This is going to build some landing pages, some funnels for you. This is going to give you training how to start from from beginning for affiliate marketing, and then you have some lead magnet. You will get some lead magnets as well along with this commission magnet, whatever the name is. So it's a good to go product. If you feel like if you want to buy this, definitely go ahead and buy it. I have no problem with that. And in the end, I will talk about the bonuses here. So let's say we go to this website called idplr.com. You must have heard about this website by now. If not, then you can check here. It's idplr.com. Now what everybody on the internet is doing, like affiliates, they're making review videos on the YouTube, and they're telling you, hey, buy from my affiliate link and I'll give you these kind of bonuses. These bonuses will be worth for $5,000 bonus, $6,000 bonus, $500. Are you out of your mind? Did you lose your mind somewhere? Go and pick it up, because bonus is something which gets credited into your bank account directly. I've told many times before in my previous videos. So bonus is not something which you get on the internet. It's not an ebook. Bonus is not an ebook. It's not a software. Bonus is literally something which is into your bank account as a hard cash, and no person on YouTube is going to give you some cash in your bank account. That is called a bonus, my friend. If you give me some cash, then I can buy using your affiliate link. That is a bonus for me. But if you're if you're hopping and popping some craps from the internet, you're asking me to get this software, I'll give you ebook, I'll give you this, I'll give you that. That is all crap. That is not bonus. All right, so don't fall for that. Bonuses should not be the motivation for buying the primary product. Okay, but eventually, if you still want some bonuses, I'll give you unlimited bonuses. Go to this website, idplr.com, click on free products here, and then click on some categories here: free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audio, free whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna click on free graphics, let's say in this example. So once you click on free graphics, you will see a list of all these things which you can download for free just by signing up, just by creating an account on this website. You can download whatever you want from here, and then you can use them as resale magnets. It shows here master reseller rights, which means you can even resell these software to somebody and charge them. Okay, so this is how these people, these affiliates on YouTube, they trick you by giving bonuses. There's no such thing called $5,000 bonus or $10,000 bonus. It's all free. It's all crap. Don't buy for bonuses. Bonuses should never be the motivation of buying the primary product. In case you want to buy this freedom sale product, go ahead and buy it, because this gives you 3 things. First, it gives you funnel sale landing page builder. Second, it gives you some lead magnets, and third, it gives you some training course. So it has got nothing to do with make money online. If you are thinking this is going to make you money, no, it's not going to make you any money. It's simple as that. This is only going to fulfill a need. It's a tool which you can use. So if you have a need of building some funnels and some page builders, definitely go ahead and buy it. All right, so we'll end this review for now. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, because if you watch other videos, they'll just sell you everything. Here on this channel, in this video, we are not selling you anything. We're giving you a review. If you want to buy it, then go and buy it. Otherwise, you can go to idplr.com and get as many bonuses you want. Okay, so don't fall for the bonus crap. This was my motive to tell you, bonuses are nothing. They're only crap. Nobody's putting money into your pocket in the name of bonus. Okay, so don't fall for that shit. So do subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video shortly.